Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing rice flour and with coffee and baby oil will get you an amazing guys skin and remove wrinkles naturally and fine lines. It will get you no matter how old your age, will get you look 20 years old naturally, guys. It's better than Botox and all the stuff that's actually causing damage to your skin. And guys, the first thing we will need to prepare the remedy is 3 tablespoons of rose water, and then we'll need to add on it 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of baby oil, and we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of coffee, then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder, guys. Now apply it on your skin. And leave it to dry out completely to get the best results, guys. Use it 3 times a week to get an amazing results, my friends. It's super effective and will get you 20 years old naturally skin with very simple ingredients, guys. You can prepare this amazing remedy at home. I hope the video will help you too, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.